Hello world, Shelly here, and remember back in the lockdown days when I had that series called Makeup and Chill? I'm going to resurrect that a bit, and I'm thinking we will do this by recording some of the makeup that I do before work on some days when I don't really have time to film an actual talk through video, but might as well show you guys what I'm wearing and how I'm putting my makeup on and the different looks that I do. So let me know if you like this format. They're usually sped to 2x. I do try to cut out the pointless parts of me looking for the right brushes and things like that, but for the most part I will not be talking through these, give you a little bit of music and show you what I'm putting on for the day. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see more of these, and if so, I will keep making them. Sometimes they will be in place of a video for that week, like if I happen to be short on filming time, but I'm thinking most of the time I'll be able to throw them in here as little extras as well. So let me know in the comments.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
There you have it. Thanks for hanging out with this makeup and chill. As always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye bye.